Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix the blink sprint issue using auto hotkey AHK for controller. If you've heard of the blink fix before, you already know the problem. Because of how blink works, the game often puts you automatically into sprint, which makes you fall over and die way too often. This is the keyboard AHK script for the blink fix. We'll keep it almost the same and only change a few things for controller support. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Install WatchJoy. Step 2, download the WatchJoy AHK library from GitHub and save it somewhere you can easily find again. Step 3, make sure the Steam overlay controller configuration is disabled. This will not work with Steam controller mapping enabled. Step 4, make sure your PC and the game detect your controller directly. I'm using a PS5 DualSense via USB-C. If your controller does not work without Steam overlay, install the required drivers. For DualShock or DualSense, that would be DS4 Windows. Step 5. Create a new text file and paste in the button finder script. Run it to find out which controller button you use for blink. As you can see, when I run the button finder script and press any button on the controller, it shows the button name in a tooltip. For me, it's circle on a PS5 controller, and it gets detected as button 3. Step 6. Once you know the button, create another text file. Paste in the blink fix script, replace the button with your own, run it, and try it out. So here I just change it to button 3, start the script, and let's see how it works. Make sure the script is in the same folder as the library. After that, just create a shortcut to the desktop, start it, and you're good to go. That's it. Simple, clean, and it fixes the blink sprint issue completely.
Not yet.
Alright, that's it for the setup. Now watch me zoom through a few maps with this awesome build. I'll link everything you need down in the description.